jewelry and women, the relationship goes beyond, I think, just a fashion accessory. I think it's something which is very dear to every woman, every girl, be it in the form of, heritage jewelry or the jewelry probably which has been part of the family for years. Grandma gives it to mother, mother gives it further to daughter. So I think in every little form, jewelry becomes a part ultimately of every, at least an Indian girl's life. And as far as I'm concerned, I really like something which is very slick, something which is not very heavy, yet it makes a statement in its own way. So that's exactly what I have done today. I'm wearing a Gaurav Gupta gown. I think what I really like about this gown is it's simple. It's not really trying, too hard. I love the color, and so it was very easy for me to mix up the jewelry, which is Nazrana Jewelry, the brand that I'm endorsing, and so yeah.
So which is that part of jewelry without which you can just go out? Which is a must jewelry for you?
I think diamond studs. I think that's something which can go with an Indian attire, Western, or a casual look. So I think diamond studs is definitely very safer and looks nice.
Can you just tell me something about your fashion formula? How you define fashion?
I don't think it can really be defined. It's something which is experienced. It's something that's you express out of the way your personality, you carry yourself. And for me, it's something very effortless, something which is classy, and that's my style statement.
Could you please tell something about the projects in the pipeline?
Yes, I've just finished shooting for Aman Ki Asha. That's my next film. That's opposite Ali Zafar. It comes from Mr. Neeraj Pandey's production house. He's a creative writer and directed by Nivas. And my third film, which is to be directed by Mr. Prabhu Deva, and it's opposite Ajay Devgan. We're going to start shooting next month. Thank you. Thank you.